Welcome to Instant Clarity Podcast. My name is Tjaša Dorelay and I'm a channeling medium from Slovenia, Europe. In this podcast, I will be answering your questions. Do you have questions about life that haven't been answered? Or you are searching for more clarity? Well, you are at the right place. As a channeling medium, my superpower is the ability to connect to different guides and different levels of consciousness and channel clarity and messages from different levels of existence to this planet Earth. And my purpose is to share this clarity with you. So in this podcast, I will be chatting with my best friends, my spirit guides and our spirit guides, who will be answering your questions about money, love, relationships, health, vitality, spirituality. Well, obviously, we can ask the guides everything, and we will. In this podcast, you will get answers to your life's questions. The intention behind this podcast is that by listening to the podcast episodes, your consciousness will become larger. You will become more inspired to be conscious leader of your life. Because we all know that sometimes in life, we feel like victims of outside circumstances. But are we really? I believe we are leaders of our lives. We are conscious creators of the reality around us. But to be able to lead our lives with awareness and consciousness, we need to have clarity. And in this podcast, you will receive clarity for your life. When I channel, not only information comes through my channel, but so much energy and light codes. So be aware by listening to channeled episodes to open yourself, to open your energy, to receive all these beautiful light codes that are embodying and anchoring inside of you while listening to this podcast. Will all the episodes be channeled? No. Some of them will also be, I will be speaking them. I will be sharing my life, my stories, how is it to be a channeling medium, how does my life look like, and how I take care of myself and my vibration. And I will share stories behind the scenes, so you will be inspired to live consciously and become, actually the leader of your own life. But sometimes some episodes will be a special surprise, a treat for you, let's say, because I will be channeling different meditations for our energy to expand our vibration to be even higher, because as we all know, your vibration creates your situation. So when you take care of your vibration, your life circumstances change and you become the master of your life. I wish you would enjoy listening to this podcast. Leave a review, share with me questions that you have on Instagram. You find me at Tjaša Dorelay, and let's stay connected. And my final thoughts for you are, let's be aware of the fact that we together are creating new civilization of love, and everything starts with clarity. So enjoy listening to Instant Clarity Podcast.